Am I looking in the right spot? No. I've already gone ahead and taken out my notebook. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I thought I would do a little bit impromptu. I'm really good wanting to do some more impromptu videos, not too planned out, but with a purpose. And so what this video is going to be about is how I'm using both of my inserts. This is my Cocoa Daisy June insert. I do have my Planner Perfect. They are separate this month. Last month I did vlogging and more of a logging journal type in just one, and I've decided to split that apart this month. So it is first thing bright and early, Monday, June 2nd, and I need to, since I've already, pretty much mapped this out in just a setup video, so I won't have to reinvent the wheel every week. I can just jump right in. It's so much easier to stay consistent in your planner when it's ready to go. And you think, well, I like to decorate on the fly. Well, that's great. I just still do decorating on the fly. I do have my little tray here, and I've got my stickers in my box top. So I will be adding them as I go, but I really want to spend time doing other things other than creating a new map or new roadmap every single week. So I've already set everything up needed to go. So my logging and my agenda time is going to be a little bit lower initially, and I'm not mad about it. So what I've got going on here is already taken out my booklet. If I've got a long session of writing, I do take it out of my Traveler's Notebook. This is a Chic Sparrow, and I am in a standard Traveler's Notebook. I kind of forget to tell you guys that, but this is my Ride or Die style. This is what the size I use. So if you're a long-time listener, you all know that, but I've got lots of new friends here. So let's go ahead and dive in. I still have to map out my week, put all my timed agenda stuff here. And then if you listen real carefully, the feet of Pepper, I'm sure she'll be in this video at some point. She loves to come and visit when I'm talking to you guys. So I will make sure, here she goes again. I will make sure she's on video because she's a sweetheart and a darling. Let's get to business. let's just take a second and I'll talk through how this works. It's in like an organized brain dump. So when I get something I really want to work on, I immediately put it in that's right spot. I still do brain dump lists, but because I have this already organized and set up, I can actually put different thoughts in different spots. So this week I have phone calls to make, and here's my to make. This is that extra section I have for extra different food things I need to put together for the kids for lunches at home. And here's my schedule for the week. I do have a section this month, and it's the extra page of the errands in the middle. So this week I have a Walmart pickup, a Costco to be done. And I think is what I've decided is I'm going to go to Costco today, this afternoon. So I'm going to put my list here so it's ready to go. And that's what makes this a little bit more streamlined and easy. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and set up my day now that I have kind of like the foundations for my week, and I'll put you on fast forward again. All right, so I'm back. Here's my thing. A lot of things went on, and I kind of wish I had you guys up while I was doing it, but whatever. So I have this backer board. It's super thick, and I do use it underneath. So I'm writing on here, and I usually don't. This is very like a cork board, and it's smushy, so it doesn't really work all that well. So I pulled this out. I usually use this because it's kind of like the thing I put if I'm using a fountain pen. It's kind of like a blotter. It kind of does that. I don't know why I wrote lines on it because you can't see it through any of the paper I use, but it's there. I did decide I'm going to go ahead and put the fountain pen away moving forward because it is smearing, especially over here. I usually use, let me find it. Here's my go-to. This is what I use almost all the time. I love my fountain pens. I love using them. Sometimes they just don't work because I just want everything written and I don't want to have to worry about it drying time. So this is my Sharpie pen. I do use it in a medium, and I buy these on bulk. So this is what I normally use and will use moving forward. So a bye-bye fountain pen, maybe for the journal, but for here, it's not going to happen. All right, so now I need to start getting things done that are on my list for today. Flip through reel. Eli needs his chore chart changed, and I need to fold about 3 loads of laundry. Yep, good stuff. All right, so I will check back in this afternoon. I'm going to go to tennis, do some grocery shopping. I'll probably go to Costco too. Hey everyone, I am back from tennis, sweaty and tired, Good workout though, closed all my rings, so we're good to go. Like you care. So I did go to Kroger and I picked up a bunch of stuff, and I did go to Costco, and I'm still in my tennis clothes, like tennis skirt and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and shower, and actually I'm gonna clean the bathrooms first because I'm gonna sweat anyway. But that's just the way it is. When you're scrubbing and you're working, you're sweating. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna do a quick check-in on the planner. Then I think I'll finally have time to work on things from the heart, because I did not have energy or effort this morning into it, and it needs to get done because I'm important. So anyway, I'll check back in a second. The only thing I really didn't put in here, and you're gonna have to hear sounds because it's summer. I'm gonna have dishes, stuff, and the TV going and the dog. So I'm just as a disclaimer. So tonight we're gonna have orange chicken. And I apologize for my misspelling. I'm more worried about where things go in my handwriting than apparently I do care about the spelling, because I don't care. My Costco list, I did get everything. And then I also picked up some olive oil. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back here in the errands part. I'm gonna try to keep track of how long until I need these things again, so I can plan out when I go to, I don't know about you, I really hate going to Costco, and it just drives me crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and transfer, this is gonna fall out, I have a feeling. So I'm just gonna go transfer in this information over here. Let's use a sticker. That way I have a running list of what I bought at Costco and the date, and that'll work. Right now, the kids are unloading the dishwasher and doing their chores right now. So let's top that off with the grocery shopping. Okay, we're making some progress here. Oh, and I can cross it off. And I did go to Walmart and do the pickup. I did also go to Kroger, but I don't really have to write that down. All right, let's go back and figure out where I'm gonna be, what I'm gonna do for the rest of the night. Just quit for now. I think what is it? It's about 10 to 5, so I'm gonna clock out for the day. I probably should get tomorrow ready to go, but I think I'm ready and due for a shower because Mama's still sweaty from doing the stuff. So Pepper just decided to join, so I'll give you a shot of her. Hold up. Here's my girl. Hello, sweetheart. You wanna say hi? Yep. Hi, Pep. Love you. You're a good girl.